Hey there, we're filling in for Paula today, and we are going to make, it's that time of year, so we're going to make a Christmas cocktail, and we're going to sit down in just a little bit. We've been working all day.
Who are you with?
I am with our good friends, Chris Johnson and Emily Peterson. You met them a little bit earlier in our Thanksgiving videos.
Yes.
This is a real treat for us. We've been working all day, so Eddie's gonna fix us up.
Yeah.
Yes, he is. And Eddie told me one day, you know, what I know about alcohol, you could put through the eye of a needle.
I know June.
And so Eddie, I say, would you do the alcohol drink? And he said one day, Paula, you are gonna make these people think I'm an alcoholic, and my mama watches these.
Well,
So he's not, but he just knows how to do it.
we do like afternoon drinks in the South. But anyways,
So what are you making?
We're making a Christmas cocktail, and it is we decided to name it a Christmas martini.
Oh, now I know that you and Elaine and some of your other friends really dig martinis.
We do, yes.
Espresso martinis?
Wow, I've never heard of that.
Gin martinis,
Okay.
the tried and true.
Okay.
The real deal.
The real deal.
Martini.
Okay.
So what's in it?
But anyway, so if you're having people over and you just need, you can make an individual, martini and shake it up and everything. But if you're having, some friends over, get your pitcher and.
That's such a great way to do it, because I feel like when I'm entertaining, I do like to do a specialty cocktail. But if you don't have it in a pitcher, then you're in the kitchen or at your bar making dinner. Yes, and Chris, he can drink it quicker than I can make it.
Well, I'm looking at my ingredients right now, and I'm thinking that might be one cocktail.
Now, Eddie, my grandmother's gonna hear you say that, Emily. She's just kidding, Mammy.
No, she's not, Mimi.
It's mainly cranberry juice. So anyways, we're going to start with a pitcher with just a little bit of, I use some crushed ice, and we're going to go in and add a cup of vodka.
Whoa.
The good stuff. I'm gonna make some skewers for it too while Eddie's mixing it up with some cranberry and rosemary.
Perfect.
Okay,
Give me a job, Eddie.
Okay, how about you finish squeezing this lemon?
Okay,
We
I'll do
need
that.
a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemons.
Okay.
And
A half a cup, did you say, Eddie?
Yes.
Of lemon juice,
Lemon
fresh
juice.
squeezed.
Yes.
And Emily is taking
Okay.
the stiffer part of a rosemary
And just
bush.
putting
and
3
just-
cranberries on the end.
Uh-huh.
And look at how cute and festive that turns out.
Oh,
when
that,
it's done.
listen,
It's a
it
beautiful
just
garnish.
screams
We have
Christmas,
It does.
doesn't
We
it?
have to
Okay.
some seeds in
And the
there.
smell of the
Perfect.
rosemary whenever you drink, it'll be
Are we ready for it?
so
Ready
tasty.
for it?
Okay.
Yes. All right, so in goes,
A half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
and there's already 1 cup of
Vodka.
vodka in there.
And we're gonna add
okay.
1 cup of cranberry juice. And if you can get like the unsweetened cranberry juice, or if you really like a sweet drink on, just use regular cranberry juice. But
Okay.
everything
we're putting in here is so sweet.
You don't
Now,
need to get too
Emily, are
I said
you're
what you were
using fresh cranberries
Fresh
on your
cranberries.
skewers,
Yes.
right?
Fresh cranberries and fresh roseberries, and you're right, Paula. You have to use the stiffer end of the rosemary, or it'll bend on you. And you just won't
Yeah.
be able to thread your cranberry.
Yes.
Can you see this, Paul? Look how beautiful that's already looking.
That is beautiful, Chris. Tilt it one more time,
Okay.
please, so I can. Oh, that's so festive looking.
So
All right, and
festive.
to finish it off, we have a half a cup of Contru, which is an orange liqueur. Which
How did you pronounce it? Contru?
Contru?
Yes.
I hope that's the way you pronounce it.
No, that's perfect, Eddie. I was just getting tickled at Paul.
I'm like, Paula is questioning me how I pronounce things. I'm sorry.
I've said that word before, but I couldn't remember how I
you said
said
it just right.
I'm usually
Well, I
behind the
think so.
camera, no, not that way, not that way.
Eddie, I think on bad hair and makeup days, I like this position that I'm in.
Well, I've seen your ponytail back there, and I might be able to rock that for a little.
My what? My what?
Oh, goodness.
Oh, you might be wearing it before the day's over.
Well, I've seen Eloise, Emily's little girl, wear it before, and that is a sight.
Sometimes we take some of our hair home with us and take care of it.
Yes, yes.
We all have to add a few pieces every now and then.
I remember Michael and I was flying from east to west coast, and I call them my twigs, my pieces of hair that I fill in with, and I put it in the front of his hair where he ain't got none hardly, and I stuck it in there. We were in the airport, and I said, I bet you $100 you won't wear this the entire flight. He said, you might as well go ahead and give me that $100. And he did it. He did it, and I had to pay.
Yeah, I wouldn't bet Michael too much anything because he is pretty daring.
Yeah, well, if it comes to money,
He'll do it.
he'll do it.
Okay, well, it's cheers time.
All
so
right.
Hey, my favorite time.
Give it a try.
Yeah, so who's gonna make the toast?
How about Chris?
Okay. Okay. Gosh, that looks
No
delicious,
pressure.
Eddie. Ladies
Okay.
first.
It is so pretty.
Gosh, Eddie, that
So
looks
pretty.
fantastic.
Do you need more
Smells so
crushed
good, too.
ice, Eddie?
Oh no, it's just enough to make it cool.
Okay.
Look how beautiful.
So beautiful.
And Emily, I've
So
seen
beautiful.
you entertain with some similar drinks like this, and it always looks so.
Thank you. I do
Beautiful in
love
your
a
house.
signature cocktail. I think that's a good way to start your party.
Yes.
So this is to the Christmas holidays 2022. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Love and mess.
Love and best dishes.
Cheers.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Dean. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.